So this right here, I'm gonna need this. Hey guys, good morning guys, how you guys doing? Okay, I wake up this morning as usual. You know, when you wake up in the morning, okay, you need to get something light, something that's gonna boost your energy, something healthy. Okay, most of you okay, every morning when you wake up, the first thing you do, you want to go out there and get the breakfast. That's a lot of calories that you put in your morning in early morning. That's a lot of calories. What you need to get in the morning as a breakfast, something healthy, something going to boost your energy. You understand what I mean? I will show you one of what I'm going to drink this morning before I go to work, and let's see what's up. Stay tuned, watch this. Okay, I'm gonna need water. And I'm grabbing some water. Water over here. Let me let it run. While the water is running, I'm gonna show you something. The leaves. These leaves come from all the way to Cameroon. Cameroon is the country where I was born. And you can, it's like a tea, but really very good one. Okay. I'm just gonna do a piece of this. Alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna need this one, and I'm gonna need a papaya. I'm gonna cut the papaya, get the little seed that is inside the papaya, the seed. I'm gonna mix together with this one, and I'm gonna boil it, and that's gonna be my tea for this morning. And maybe I might eat a little bit of papaya. Alright. Okay. First thing, grab cutting board. I'm gonna need my cutting board. Okay. Let's put some fire. Okay. I'm gonna need this. This right here. I want to cut a little piece of it. Just a couple. Break it to piece. Slide inside. Break it in piece. Slide inside. This leaves is really good leaves. I don't know how they call it in English, but I know in French they call it la tisane. La tisane. This is really good and healthy type of tea that you can have in the morning, even in the evening, afternoon, after eating, you can have a little bit of it. You know, so put it inside right there. Like I always say, man, people, your health depends on you. Nobody cares about your health. I see a lot of people, you wake up in the morning, first breakfast you want to have is a big breakfast, something, a lot of calories. The morning you wake up in the morning, early in the morning, you're hungry. The first thing you want to put in your mouth is the burger, sandwich. You go to the store, get the breakfast, that's a lot of calories to start a day. And that's why, you know, and when you go to work, you go do anything you want to do out there, you have no energy at all. Okay, you know, I have to do a little bit of it. And I'm gonna keep you on the side. Go on the side right here. You go ahead, cut my papaya. Where my knife at? Right there. Okay, I'm gonna cut this papaya. Right there. Cut right there in the middle. See? So this right here, I'm gonna need this. Papaya. You know what? Papaya is one of my favorite fruit. I like to eat every morning. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, put this right here on the side. I'm gonna keep this seed. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put it inside. Okay. Now it's ready. Add some water. Some water. Then